Good morning, my radiant souls. There is a saying that whispers, every day is the start of a new beginning. Today's word of the day is simple pleasures. What dreams or simple pleasures are you planning to welcome into your day? After long muted months, the sunshine has finally broken through, gifting us its golden smile, and I can't help but feel its warmth on my skin. My day begins with a tender hello to my early riser, Sammy, my beloved cat. His soft purrs and eager greetings remind me that every new dawn holds its own quiet magic. I'm going to choose a gentle pace this morning, a day flavored with a little cooking, some tidying up, and a bit touch of shopping. What's your plan for today? I'm going to first make my traditional Indian chai. This isn't the spice masala chai you might expect, but a humble, soothing milk tea infused with a gentle aroma of cardamom. Sammy followed me to the kitchen. He always watches me make my tea, the very tea of my childhood in Kerala, a small state in India renowned for its unique and culinary treasures. Once the chai is lovingly brewed, I'm going to give some breakfast for Sammy. He loves eating a variety of cat food. You can see my chai is getting ready. It's boiling, so I'm going to add the normal tea powder. There's nothing fancy, and this is how I make my tea every day. So I add a little bit of tea powder and let it boil for some more time. Once the chai is getting brewed, my focus is shifting to my breakfast. My daughter has earned straight A's this week, and I can think of a no sweeter way to pamper her than by creating a delightful breakfast. I am planning to whip up a berry merry pancakes paired with softly scrambled eggs, a rare treat nowadays, right? As eggs have become a scarce luxury due to the bird flu across the US, but I still have few eggs and I'm using it. I would love to know what culinary adventures do you embark on during your weekends? Personally, I find solace in traditional dishes. The weekdays sweep us away in their busy dance, leaving little time for such joys. But my children adore their playful English style breakfast like pancakes, bagels, donuts, muffins, while my husband savors the rich, comforting flavors of Indian cuisine. I'm fine with anything for breakfast. But today, I'm determined to honor both traditions, a hearty breakfast for my daughter and a lovingly crafted Indian lunch for my husband. Nice plan, right? So here we are at the threshold of a day brimming with simple pleasures and quiet achievements. What will you create or cherish today? First, I'm going to make some berry pancake. Basically, these berries are they come in a packet, and I just warmed them for a few seconds before I add them to the pancakes. It gives a really fresh touch to this pancakes, and we all love that. And then I'm also going to make some chocolate chip pancakes. My dear friends, the day has unfolded with gentle surprises. My daughter came down and saw this pancake. Her radiant smile just filled our home with joy. She loves pancakes with berries, also some chocolate. So I'm going to make both pancakes for her, and she's so overjoyed. I'm also making some scrambled egg. Usually she's not a fan of scrambled egg, but she said she will give it a try. She wants to whisk the eggs and make the pancakes. So here is the thing. If your kids want to help you in the kitchen, don't just tell no. Just ask them to do tiny things and they would love. That's how probably most of us start cooking. Now, back in the warmth of my kitchen, I'm going to enjoy this sumptuous breakfast and sip my tea and enjoy the sunshine outside for some time. While I'm having my breakfast, I discovered a missing ingredient for the lunch. Chicken was nowhere to be found. So I'm setting out to a friendly neighborhood Publix where I gathered not only fresh chicken but also a few delicate Valentine's Day chocolates and a cake destined for my neighbor's celebration in the evening. Those flowers are so beautiful, right? They're all in right time for the Valentine's Day, and I can't wait to get a cake from the cake section. The strawberry shortcake looks so appealing to me. Okay, I'm going to come back home. Now, back in the warmth of my kitchen, I embark on my culinary journey to create the most delicious curry chicken infused with a rich tapestry of Indian spices. I began by gently sauteing a medley of ingredients: onions, ginger, garlic, chili, turmeric, curry leaves, each releasing its own subtle fragrance before inviting my spices to dance into the mix. So I saute this for some time until the raw smell goes away, and then I will slowly add some tomatoes, coriander leaves, and curry leaves, and finally all the spices. Once everything is assembled, the chicken joins the ensemble, and I'll add some water to it and let the whole curry simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. This is the whole chicken I usually get from Publix, and I cut into pieces. I mix it very well for some time before I add the water. A quiet bubbling ritual until the curry chicken is perfectly ready to be savored with some curry leaves, ideally paired with soft golden paratas. Feeling the need for a change of pace after my culinary endeavors, I am planning to venture out for an evening stroll. Near my home lies a charming strip mall, a treasure trove of home decor wonders. I delight in the art of window shopping, pausing to admire the exquisite beauty of each piece. With early spring gracing our days, pastel hued decorations now adorn the displays. As you can see, heralding the season's arrival in a tender, welcoming embrace. The abundance of house decor stirs in me a gentle curiosity. Do you too find solace and inspiration in transforming your home? While my heart once leaned towards traditional styles, I find myself embracing a new vision these days, a change as delicate as a whispered promise. On my wanderings, I try to discover small things that brings me joy, like this beautiful yellow flowers, the vase full of flowers, the rabbits, the Easter bunnies, and those paintings. These Easter bunnies are so cute. I even discovered a delightful toy for my colleague's little daughter who just turned 2. After that, I went to nearby Burlington and I started looking for some clothes. When I see this much clothes, it's very hard for me to choose one, and also I need a lot of time and patience to select my clothes. So I skipped that part and started looking at the house decorating stuffs. These are so beautiful wind chimes, and I always love to buy new ones or gift them to my friends. Well, after that, I found these toy sessions mainly for Easter, and I picked one for Amy. She loves plush toys, and this place has a lot of Easter displays too. And I was just going through each of them, admiring their beauty. As the evening faded and the shops began to close their doors, I decided to go home. I walked back to my car, pausing to watch the sun retreat behind the horizon. I came home, I started putting all the things, some chocolates for Amy's teachers, some vegetables, and then finally the strawberry shortcake for my neighbor's party in the evening. Well, thank you for joining me on my today's journey. If these moments of simple pleasures resonate with you, please do subscribe and share in the magic of these everyday adventures. Until our next episode, this is Sachna signing off.